Today we time travel inside a real medieval wall.
Inside the wall, everything slows down.
Look up. Every beam tells a story.
Quest 2. Taste the town at its heart.
Einen schönen guten Morgen.
Danke, gleichfalls.
A smile is the best currency here. Quest, the legendary Schneeball crunch test.
Sweet, loud, and totally medieval energy.
This is the frame you've seen, now we're in it.
Tiny details make the whole town feel alive.
Frage ich mich, wie viel das hier wohl kostet.
Viel zu viel, da bin ich mir sicher.
Quest, a silent place in a loud world.
Even the signs whisper in German.
Every turn feels like a chapter break.
Now we leave the walls, down to the river.
From here, the town looks impossible.
Quest. Eat like the region. Simple and perfect.
Quest, earn the best view. Medieval stone, springtime softness. Payoff, the whole world fits in one frame.
Even summer here feels a little like winter.
Night changes the town's mood completely.
Final quest. Follow the lantern into history.
Stay close. The alleys love to hide secrets.
Every shadow here has a job.
This feels like a movie set, except it's real.
Same corner, new magic after dark.
Quest complete. We followed the lantern.
Now, the coziest reward, Franconian dinner.
Prost to stone walls and warm plates.
This is the sound of slowing down.
A famous square, finally, just us.
A. New quests.
Guten Morgen.
Morgen.
Breakfast. Warm breed, no rush.
Quest. Collect another tower. Weißer Turm.
This corner is pure craft.
Wow.
I keep getting happily lost.
Quest, same wall, totally different mood.
Some years here start with 14-10, and that's normal.
Wait, did you hear what happened yesterday?
No, tell me everything over another cappuccino.
Quest, bring home something made, not manufactured.
Next, one last loop through the heart.
This is the best cappuccino I've had.
You say that every time we come here, but it really is excellent.
Even the music here feels wooden and warm.
Same building, new memory.
Ready for the next hidden corner?
History hits harder when it's handwritten.
Okay, back to fresh air.
Quest, snack while wandering.
One more gate, Bergtor.
Same garden, new path, don't repeat the day.
This is why the walls were built up here.
Das Wetter ist heute wirklich wunderbar, nicht wahr?
Ja, wunderschön. Ich muss da mal los. Auf Wiedersehen.
Quest. One slow coffee, no schedule.
Even the birds walk like they own the place.
This view feels earned.
Last light, let's chase the river again.
Quest. Cross the Tauber the old way. Cold stone. Warm sunset.
A tiny castle hiding in the valley.
Listen, this is the soundtrack of the valley.
And there's the town again.
Look at the reflections in the window.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a painting.
Quest. Pick one memory you can hold.
Back where we began, everything feels closer now.
Night mode activated.
Quest. One last cozy stop.
Final chapter's coming, don't blink.
This wall holds 1,000 good nights.
Hear that? That's peace. Final daybreak. Final payoff.
Even the garden wakes gently. gently here.
Last wall walk, let's lock the memory.
This feels like walking on a timeline.
3 favorites, 1 breath.
The details are the real souvenir.
We should definitely sit outside for breakfast.
I agree. The weather is perfect today.
Danke. Last bite, then we go.
This gate started our story.
And now it ends it beautifully!
One small thing. One big memory. My favorite frame. River below, history above. Heartbeat.
Gates, walls, suites, silence, Rothenburg.
A medieval town that still feels lived in.
See you in the next medieval town.
Rothenburg.